Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools to make your DIY projects easier and more professional. Today, we're talking about the best gold label fine line painting pen from YAFIYGI. This precision tool is perfect for automotive touch-ups, arts, crafts, and even calligraphy. If you've ever struggled with repairing small paint chips or scratches on your car, you know how frustrating it can be. The YAFIYGI Fine Line Paint Pen changes that. With its 0.5mm precision tip, this pen allows you to apply paint exactly where you need it, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Whether it's a tiny rock chip on your car or a delicate craft project, this pen delivers the control you need for detailed work. One of the standout features of this pen is its durable brass construction. The knurled handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing you to work with precision without feeling fatigued. It's built to last, so you can use it for multiple projects without worrying about wear and tear. And when it comes to maintenance, cleaning this pen is a breeze. The included stem cleaning tool makes it easy to keep your pen in top condition, ready for your next touch-up. Using the pen is simple. Just fill the reservoir with your preferred paint, and you're ready to go. It's an ideal tool for anyone who needs a precise application for touch-ups, detailing, or even artwork. Plus, the versatility doesn't stop at cars. If you're into arts and crafts or calligraphy, this pen offers smooth, even application for all kinds of creative projects. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, precise, and easy-to-use tool for your paint touch-ups, the YAFIYGI Fine Line Painting Pen is the perfect choice. From fixing minor scratches on your vehicle to enhancing your craft projects, this pen ensures that you'll get the job done with precision and ease. Don't miss out on the best gold label fine line painting pen.